Hello, my friends. Today, I want to show you how to make a really wonderful French dessert. It's called Tarte Tatin. If you love apples, yummy buttery crust, and a sweet little taste of Paris, then you're in for a treat. First, let's talk about apples. You'll want apples that are nice and firm, like Granny Smith or Pink Lady. Peel them, take out the seeds in the middle, and slice up about 6 apples. Okay, now get a pan that can go in the oven. In the pan, melt half a cup of butter with 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Let it bubble up nice and slow. Don't stir it with a spoon, just swirl the pan around until it turns into a beautiful golden caramel. So, trust me, it's a little French secret. Now take the pan off the heat. Carefully put your apple slices in. You can arrange them like pieces in a puzzle. I like to pack them in nice and close so every bite is full of yummy apple. Put the pan back on medium heat for about 10 minutes. You'll hear the apples sizzle a little and get soft. Time for the pastry. I use puff pastry that you can buy at the store, and that's perfectly fine. Roll it out a little, then lay it over the apples. Gently tuck the edges down around the fruit. Into the oven it goes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. The pastry will puff up, the caramel will bubble, and your whole kitchen will smell like heaven. Okay, now for the exciting part, flipping it over. Let your tart cool down for just a few minutes. Then, put a big plate on top of the pan, hold it tight, and carefully flip it over. Voila! The apples should look shiny, golden, and just amazing. Enjoy your Tarte Tatin while it's warm. It's so good with a little bit of crème fraîche or some vanilla ice cream. C'est magnifique! Thank you for watching and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more yummy adventures in the kitchen. Merci!